We are here exam sound. What they want.
Ula Latifa. Mukalazi Adrian.
Pillars within this community, but also a pillar in our community as UNA. He does a lot for us, and I think as an organization, all we can do is give back. One of the needs that we found here is they needed computers to start training the youngsters on how to use computers to learn skills. So in other words, they want these youngsters to be computer literate. If you are all aware, during COVID, if you didn't own a computer, you would definitely miss out on school, because most of the schools were now being held during Zoom. So I think it is timely that the proprietors, the CEO, the principal of Chide Primary School want to have this in their laboratories. They want to open a computer lab, and they thought that maybe we could help them have 10 computers. But I, as UNA president, I have pledged that I'm going to put a drive out there, a fundraising drive, to see that we can at least raise 20 computers, whether it's desktops or laptops or a mixture of both. We will fight to make sure that they get.
Naye njagala ne Bannayuganda abalala bafune omutima ng'ogwo guyinza okuyamba abaana baffe abali eno. Bwe twava mu COVID, bizinesi zaabwe zisinga zaayonooneka, ate nga abaana balina okuwa school fees, naye buli kye bateekamu kikola impact nnene nnyo okuyamba abaana baffe. Njagala okwebaza abali mu North America, njagala okwebaza ne Bannayuganda bali wano nabo basobola okutoola ku kaabwe ne bayamba. Nammwe ng'abamawulire nammwe mbeebaza olw'okutambuza information eyo. Si kintu kya muniino, abantu babakuba ne babayisaamu amaaso ate nga abandi badde bawa a lot of respect. We thank you so much.